Okay, I have to show you this shirt. Ready? Look at that stretch and rebound, you guys. If you're decorating performance wear and you're not quite sure what material to use, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly what we used and how we decorated this Adidas shirt that has 8% spandex in it. Hey guys, Kelly Walters here, and you just watched that garment stretch and snap back together, and now it's time to learn about what heat transfer vinyl you need to decorate all those performance style garments. Now I'm going to walk you through the process on weeding and heat applying. That way you can see it from pretty much beginning to end and turn around and start offering these type of products to your customers and decorate with ease. So let's get started. Okay, so let's talk vinyl. We are going to be using CAD-CUT Premium Plus. Now, this is the material that you must or should be using when it comes to decorating athletic, performance, or any type of garment that is going to have a nice stretch and rebound to it. So, Premium Plus is available in 37 amazing colors. 4 are also limited edition. So technically there's 41 offering or color offerings at this moment in time. You can get anywhere from metallic, which this is rose gold, to your standard white and neons. And we've recently just added, I believe this is called charcoal, and I wanted to make sure I had the color correct. So with this product, it's great to put on jackets, sweatshirts. You can put it even on t-shirts, sweatpants, but it's awesome and really brings out the full effect of the material when it's on a shirt that's got some stretch into it. So today we are decorating a women's style shirt from Adidas. It's called the Women's Lifestyle Tee. It's a pretty simple heather garment, and we will be decorating in the color white. Now, I have a Cut Premium Plus on both a silhouette craft cutter and I have used the Roland GS24, and this material works great for both types of cutters. When it comes to using the craft cutter, I just recommend that you do a couple of test runs to really hone in on what your settings need to be specific to your craft cutter. Now, with that being said, I've already cut my logo, but we are definitely going to weed together. I want you to see how this product weeds away from the carrier or pulls away from the carrier and just how easy it is to use. Okay, so I went ahead and started, and you can see that we are going to get some nice detail out of our design. Now, this is going to say hustle and grind, but I wanted to add some block striping or block style letters, as well as some, nice stripes that would allow for some really nice movement as that garment is going to stretch. Now, if you notice as I am weeding, we are going to get a stretch, as you can see right there, already out of the material. It's a really, really soft hand, super smooth type of feel. I kind of like to refer it or compare it to like the feel of a balloon, but it's much softer and it's not going to give you that squeaky feel if you rub a balloon wrong. So we are almost done weeding this away, and I'm pretty much only using one hand as the other is still holding the weeding tool. So now there are some cavities inside of here, and I'm gonna have to get close. Bear with me as I get close to this. I want to be able to see the cut lines. Trying to weed from behind the camera makes it a little more difficult. Now I can see the cut lines on this, especially with some light. So again, very easy artwork that we are dealing with, but it will give you a good roundabout idea on what you can do. It doesn't have to be really, really thin art in order to get some good movement in the logo. All right, so we are using a Hotronix autoclam, and I have swiped out the tag-along platen that I love to use for the 11 by 15 because this allows me to not have to use any type of pillow because we have seams that kind of cut into the torso. So as you can see right now, I've threaded on our garment. We have absolutely no seams or restrictions once we move that collar off of the platen. Now from here, we're going to pre-press. And we're going to make sure that our pressure is also reading at a medium pressure, which would be anywhere from a 4 to a 6. All right. Now that we are pre-pressed, we can go ahead and apply our logo. I'm going to fold in half, and I'm actually going to line up the blocks. That way you can see that rectangle is end to end, and it will also tell us the middle of our transfer. Now from here, I am just wanting to line up with our V-neck. And I can tell you this is just a little bit higher of a V-neck. So I'm not going to drop down too low or too high. Now from here, I'm just taking the notch and lining up with that line that I had created simply by collapsing our transfer in half. Okay, cover sheet goes back on. And like I said, 8 to 12 seconds. We're currently at 12 on this one, but I just didn't go in and adjust my time. Now, like I said, a hot peel, and you can see it's just going to peel so smooth and effortlessly. All right, let's go take one more final look at the finished product. All right, so let's take a quick look. There you go, it's completed. You can't almost feel that it's not on the garment. It's so, so thin. And the best part, like you saw at the very beginning, it has this crazy stretch and rebound. No matter if you're using a solid shape or words, block words, or even if you have a lot of cavities or movement in your art. So that's Premium Plus. That's exactly why you should be using this type of material on performance garments. And keep in mind, that could be bottoms, it could be tops, it could be jackets, and of course, even bags that might have some type of stretch to them, especially if they're polyester and spandex. Now, this shirt is a 92% polyester and 8% spandex, so you know it has a lot of stretch to it. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Kelly Walters. We'll see you next time, and make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and comment your thoughts below. See you then.